Welcome back, dear students. Now I am going to discuss how we can change an interrogative affirmative sentence into interrogative negative sentence in simple present tense. First, look at the examples I have given here. Do you love your country? Do you, it is not third person singular subject, it is second person singular subject or plural subject. We can write other subject. Love, it is MV1. Your country, it is object or others. And now if we want to change this interrogative affirmative sentence into interrogative negative sentence, how do we change? Note here. Do you love your country? Do you not? Do you not love your country? Do you not love your country? Now look here. Do, same, subject, same. Thereafter, as this subject is pronoun, this subject is pronoun, that's why not is placed after the subject. And thereafter, as usual, MV1 or main verb, first form, thereafter object or others. If the subject in negative interrogative sentence, if the subject is pronoun, then not is placed just after the subject if we use full form. But if we use contracted form or shortened form or abbreviated form, then we can do in this way, or we can say don't you love your country? Don't you love your country? Look here, I have used don't, that means contracted form or shortened form, and in that case we can write in this way: don't, thereafter you, subject, thereafter love, it is MV1, thereafter your country, object or others. That means if we use full form, then we have to see if the subject of the interrogative negative sentence, if the subject is noun or pronoun. If the subject is pronoun, then we have to use not after the subject if we use full form. But if we use contracted form, then we can write in this way: don't you love your country? Similarly, second one, do the boys help the poor? Similarly, second one, do the boys help the poor? We can change in this way: do not the boys help the poor. Do not the boys help the poor. Now look here, do, as the subjects, the boys, it is noun. That's why if we use the full form, we have to place not before the subject noun. Thereafter help, it is MV1, and thereafter the poor, object or others. But if we use shortened form or contracted form, we can do in this way: same, don't the boys help the poor. Don't the boys help the poor. Here also, look, I have used shortened form, don't, thereafter subject, thereafter MV1, thereafter the poor, object or others. That means if we use shortened form in interrogative negative sentence, then we can place it before the subject, and then we need to see if the subject is noun or pronoun. But if we use the full form, then we have to note if the subject of the negative interrogative sentence is noun or pronoun. If we use full form, then we have to note if the subject of the interrogative negative sentence is noun or pronoun. If it is noun, then we have to use not before the subject, and if it is pronoun, then we have to use after the subject. But if we use shortened form or contracted form, then no need to see if the subject is noun or pronoun. We can use the shortened form or contracted form just before the subject in this way. Similarly, number 3, does he play football daily? Similarly, number 3, does he play football daily? We can change in this way. Does he not play football daily? Does he not play football daily? Here he subject pronoun and I am using full form, that's why not is placed after the subject. Or we can do in this way, doesn't he play, or we can do in this way, doesn't he play football? Doesn't he play football daily? Doesn't he play football daily? Here we are using shortened form, that's why we can use it before the subject, any subject. Similarly, number 4, does Ram speak English fluently? This sentence also can be changed into negative interrogative in the same way. Does Ram speak English fluently? I am changing it. Does not Ram speak English fluently? Does not Ram speak English fluently? Here Ram, it is subject noun, that's why if I use full form, then not is placed before the subject. Or we can use shortened form, we can write in this way, doesn't Ram speak English fluently? Doesn't Ram speak English fluently? Here I am using shortened form. That means when I am changing an interrogative affirmative sentence into interrogative negative sentence, if we use full form of not, then we have to note if the subject is noun or pronoun. If the subject is noun, then we have to use not before the subject, and if the subject is pronoun, then we have to use not just after the subject and do does rule as usual. But if we use contracted form or shortened form like this, doesn't, don't, then we can use it just before the subject, any subject, noun or pronoun. Okay.